Again, graphing things in the exact same method. So, Karen, where would I put my first point in this graph? We're looking at the number at the very end for our y-intercept. Okay, on the y-axis, where? 1, 2, 5, 7? 1, positive 1. So it says plus 1. I'm going to go up to positive 1 on the y-axis. That's my first dot. Now, when I use the slope, I need to be careful here. And who can help me with this? Let's go with Deshaun. My slope is negative 1/2. How would I represent that by making the rest of the points? Okay, down 1. Perfect. Please pay very close attention to this part. This is the most missed part of this concept. If the slope is negative, Deshaun said I'm going to go down 1, that's negative, and right 2. But right is positive. But that's correct. If I went down 1, negative, and left 2, also negative, 2 negatives, that wouldn't be a negative anymore. That would make a positive. So down 1, right 2. Make as many points as you can fit, please. Also go in the other direction, up 1 and left 2. We usually talk about it as rise over run. If you wanted to go left and then up, just make sure it's left 2 and up 1. Just make sure the top number is your up and down, the bottom number is your left and right. Okay, so the question then becomes, is this a solid line or is this a dotted line? Dakota, should I have a solid line or a dotted line for this one? Why? Right, the symbol less than or equal to is solid. It is underlined. So we're going to go ahead and make a solid line. Joe, should I shade above or below the line that I just drew? Why? No, we do not always shade above. Can someone help me out on this? Do I shade above or below, and why? Ashley?
Oh.
She said below because it says less than. Absolutely. Less than means below. So we're going to shade everything below the line. It all depends on the symbol that you are using. It's not always one or always the other. It's whatever the symbol is saying. This says less than, so below. Very good.